guys, we're complete now. We're complete wearing our yukata. So there's a difference between the female yukata and the male yukata. Si Ruth takes around an hour or two fixing everything. To do her hair and to wrap.
Yes.
Kita mo, naging from 36 to 23. Si Ruth. Wow. No comment. Hey guys, good morning. This is Rodel for listening to KLOOK.com, and it's the third day here in Tokyo, Japan. We'll be heading to Asakusa. Our itinerary for today includes yukata outfit change. So that's the first thing that we're going to do today. But now we will be heading to the train station, heading to that area. We're here at Ueno Station. We're riding the Ginza line, and yeah, I'm using the Pasmo card. I need to reload kasi halos 100 yen na lang yung laman nito. We'll be going to Asakusa and we're late. So guys, heading to Asakusa. Anong line? So from Ueno to Asakusa. Morning guys! We're here now at Asakusa, and it's actually a different view in here. There's Mario Kart in the back. It's so crazy. Yeah, I really like it in here. That's a view. Okay guys, we're walking here in Asakusa. Super excited to wear the kimono. Yes, and of course Asakusa is famous for the rickshaw, for the river cruise, and kimono rentals. So we'll be renting a kimono today, and we'll be roaming around Japan wearing the kimono. Open! Medyo nawiwiwi ako sa akit muna tayo sa taas. Second floor. So while Rod is filling up the form, I'll go find the restroom. Okay. Ooh, there's a lot of yukatas in here. So we were given a bag to keep our stuff. So we're heading into the second floor. Dapat pala nag-black socks ako, or magbibigay kaya sa ng socks. Hey guys, we're wearing our yukata. Look at Rod's outfit today. There you go. Ohayo gozaimasu. Arigato. Ohayo. Ohayo gozaimasu. It's early morning today. Look at my outfits today. So yeah, we're gonna roam around Asakusa today wearing our yukata. Of course, thank you very much to KLOOK. You can rent a yukata for a whole day by KLOOK. How much yun, Rod? 4,000?
Yeah, roughly 4,000.
Yeah, that's around 4,000 pesos.
And if you're late,
4,000 pesos?
Wait, let me check.
4,000 yen.
4,000 yen.
4,000 yen, so parang 2,000 pesos. And remember na dapat you're on time sa appointment. Because if you're late, how much is
You're
the
gonna have
fee?
to pay 500 yen per person.
500 yen per person.
And I can't be seen on that video. Why is that?
Yeah, because it's so mainit. Where's Ruth? We're so excited to see what her outfit looks like. So we got sandals. And let's OOTD. Tell me what you're wearing.
I'm wearing the 1960. Wow, ewan. They made it sure na we're wearing this.
Yeah.
And especially marked with the bag na kailangan mag-blend sa amin.
Gucci bag.
Gucci bag. Gucci bag. And look at that, how they
Yeah.
managed to
The tie.
tie it.
Ah, yeah. Oo nga, no? So this is below the belly.
Yeah, I have a big belly, Rodel. Please edit it out.
Also, he's large and I'm large.
Large. Okay.
So my outfit's large. LL.
Go.
Ano to?
Okay, walk. Other side. Lang, okay.
Kamay lang.
Game.
Okay guys, we're complete now. We're complete wearing our yukata. So there's a difference between the female yukata and the male yukata. Si Ruth takes around an hour or two
Yes,
fixing
and it's my
everything.
hair.
To do her hair
And very
to wrap.
meticulous, yes.
Kita mo, naging from 36 to 23. Si Ruth. Wow. No comment.
They did my
Okay,
hair out.
let's walk there. Guys, surprise kami dahil ang laki ng service.
Super good favorite.
This is breakfast and this is lunch.
Binawi na.
So this is priced at 690 yen. So that's like 345. Yes, perfect math.
Finally, order.
We are done eating our lunch and breakfast. We're now heading to Sensoji Temple to take photos of ourselves wearing yukata today. Pagod sila eh kasi ang dami namin kinain. Eh may mga tali kami dito sa sobrang hirap kumain ng marami.
Love it.
We're abnormal today. We're not normal. That's what I mean. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people. Dami tao, guys.
Ang pagkakatali. Ramdam mo sa iyong...
So it's like a market. That is so cool. Pumapasok na tayo sa kakaibang era. Sundan natin ang babaeng ito. Ikaw ba ang nawawalang prinsesa? Ikaw na nga!
Welcome to my palace.
Jiangyung! 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 We're back, guys. Returning the Yukata. We are 2 hours earlier. So guys, we're here inside the photo booth.
Camera angle is this or this one? You can fit in this one.
Close-ups and above
I just want to show you.
Make sure you don't put your belongings in front of or on the lights. Okay. You might not be
We
able to
understand.
decorate your photos
I
later.
understand, guys.
Okay, here we go.
First is a close-up. Line your toes up with green line.
Cheese!
So cute. Just like that.
Ay, gano'n nakakatakot ako. Okay.
One. Just like that.
Laki ng mata eh. Oh, whole body, whole body.
Dapat isa lang yung post natin. Gaya natin sila.
One. Just like that.
Pangit lang yan.
Edit na lang natin.
3, 2, 1. Choose the design you like.
Oh.
Okay, we're done. We're done.
Ito gusto niyo ito? O ito? Ito na lang may green.
Sige.
Move all the way to the back.
Oh,
Meron pa ba?
beauty shot mode.
Step back.
Step pa. Okay.
May ganun pa.
Puta.
3, 2, 1. Just like that.
We're done, guys. Decoration moment. Decoration on the other side.
Touch the screen
Okay,
with
just
the
take a
pen.
beat.
Choose your eye size.
Ay, ang taray.
Bawasan na.
Ayos yung ano lang. Sakto lang.
3.
Uy, ano ba yung sakto lang?
Choose the brightness.
Nagbabago ba?
Ito na lang medyo.
Yan.
Next, enter your names. Your names will be used for stamps. Enter your names.
Hashtag. Rurururu.
Next, choose the background image.
Sus,
Choose
ano
the
na yan.
background to shoot.
Pangit nung ano?
Huwag dark.
Ano?
Decoration time.
Ay!
Okay, get it.
May jet din.
Yay!
Yes. Alright guys, we're already done with our Yukata costume for today. So right now we are back with our outfits and we're now going to this side of the park to see and view the Tokyo Skytree. It's fine. That's the one! It's not too cold today. That's why I'm wearing a t-shirt. So this is the Sumida Gawa River. You can actually do a cruise in here, a river cruise. And yeah, which is also popular here in Asakusa. Asakusa. There you go. I love it. got tickets for 620 for a regular museum ticket. 620 yen, so that's 310. There's another option, yung mas mahal. I think yun yung may additional na mga exhibition. Yeah. But we got the cheaper one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Ano kayang pwede dito? Ayun pala, sa likod. So, yung mga pwede lang natin pasukan ay number 4, number 3, number 1, number 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.